Hello elders and my friends, how are you all? In this channel, I will post physics related all things, and today's topic is Bernoulli's equation. Today's topic is Bernoulli's equation. Today we will talk about the Bernoulli's equation, some key points of today's lesson. Key points. The key points of Bernoulli's equation, that viscosity. Next thing is, the liquid is always incompressible. The density of the liquid cannot be changed. So, incompressible. Okay. Third, the flow can be also laminar flow, steady flow. Okay. The next thing is, there have no energy loss. They have no energy loss. They have no energy loss, steady flow. The liquids are incompressible and non-viscous. The liquids are non-viscous. They are incompressible. The flow will be steady flow, and the energy cannot be lost. So now, Dr. Bernoulli is a doctor, and he will be research on the fluid mechanics, and this part is from fluid dynamics. This part is from fluid dynamics. What is the fluid dynamics? If I will say that if fluid will be flowing, means the fluid are in motion. The fluids are in motion. And this kind of things is known as fluid dynamics. Now, we will prove the Bernoulli's equation and known as derivation. Okay? So, what is the derivation of Bernoulli's equation? We can prove it from the work energy theorem. The total work is equals to change in kinetic energy. The total work is equals to change in kinetic energy. Now I will draw the picture. There, the area of this is A1. The velocity of the liquid that can be flown in the pipe from this one is V1. This area is A2. This is V2. Okay? And here the pressure will be P1. Here the pressure will be P2. Here the pressure will be P2. And the height of this is ground. The total height is H, and this height is the H1 height. Okay? And this height is the H2 height. Means this is the H1 and this height is H2. And that is the total height. Means H. Means big H is equals to H1 plus H2. Okay? Now, when I will frame it, when I will frame the whole system, then this kind of picture looks, that is. Okay. So, now the 2 points are out from this picture. The 2 point frames. Okay. Now we can prove it. The work done by the pressure plus work done by the gravity. Okay. The work done by the pressure and the work done by the gravity is equals to change in kinetic energy. Is it clear to all? work done by the pressure and work done by the gravity is equals to change in kinetic energy. Now what is the work done by the pressure? We can write as a work done by the pressure is equals to force into displacement. Force into displacement. F1 S1 minus F2 S2. Okay, this is simplified. The P1 A1. What is the displacement of the liquid now? That is the V1 delta T. According to time as T, same delta T, and that was V2 delta T. So we can write as V1 delta T minus P2 A2 V2 delta T. What is this? This term is equals to volume. Yeah, this term is equals to volume. So P1 minus P2 is equals to, and that is volume. This term is volume. So that is our work done by the pressure. Now what is the work done by the gravity? Work done by the gravity. That is always negative term because this direction for this, that is negative mg h2 minus h1, because this side I will say is that h1 plus h2 is the height, total height, and we can write as a h2 minus h1. Then what is the change in kinetic energy? Half m v2 square minus v1 square. When I will put the values into this, then what I will find that P1 minus P2 whole of volume plus that is the work done by the pressure, and that is negative minus mg h2 minus h1 is equals to change in kinetic energy, that is half m v1 square minus v2 square. Sorry, v2 square minus v1 square. Okay. When I will divide the whole system with volume, then P1 minus P2 minus m can be changed as rho g h1 h2 minus h1 is equals to half rho v2 square minus v1 square. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? Now I will modify this equation. Okay, so P1 plus rho gh1 plus half rho v1 square is equals to P2 plus rho gh2 plus half a rho v2 square. That is our Bernoulli's equation, and that is the derivation of Bernoulli's equation. That is our Bernoulli's equation, and we can tell as the addition of total energies. The addition of total energy is the constant. The addition of the total energies is constant. Is equals to constant at a point. Okay, so the three energies at a point, but the addition of three energies at a point is always constant. That is the Bernoulli's equation, and that is the derivation of Bernoulli's equation. Now there is another thing, and there I will take an example. Okay, so now I will take an example of Bernoulli's equation. Okay, so how the example is, I have two papers, yeah, and I will placed her. I will place this, okay, and I will passing the air between them. They will be connected each other. You can see that. You can see that they will be connected each other. Why that isn't? That is our question. Okay, that is a paper. That is another paper. When I will flowing the air, why they will be connected with each other? Now that there is another kind of Bernoulli's equation, that is the head definition. The head definitions of Bernoulli's equation. So half mp is the pressure energy plus mgh is the potential energy and half mv square is the kinetic energy. When I will divide it with rho g, this one as rho g, then I will find that P upon rho g plus H plus V square by 2g. That is the head of pressure. That is the head of pressure. That is the head of height. That is the head of height. And that is the head of velocity. That is the head of velocity. Now, what is happening? You can see that here the pages, when I will first air between the pages, okay, you can see carefully, they will be connected. Yeah, this one is the problem. Means here I will fluid air. The velocity of the air is very high. The velocity of the air is very high. Is it clear to all? The velocity of the air is very high. So that is very high. Okay, the velocity of the air is very high. And I will say that if anyone is greater there and another one is lower, means if the pressure head will be lower, then the velocity head will be higher. If the velocity will be higher, pressure will be lower. Okay, because the total addition of this, the summation of three energies are constant. Total is constant. The total of three energies are being constant. So there has a lots of airs. The velocity of the layer is very high. In here the pressure will be low. The pressure will be low. And other cases, the out place, the pressure will be high. So higher pressure can be pushed them. The higher pressure can be pushed them and they can be connected each other. That is the simple example of Bernoulli's equation. The next example. The next example of Bernoulli's equation that you can see in the cricket matches. You can see cricket match when the bowler can be bowled. When the bowler can be bowled, then what is happening? The ball can swim. If ball is here, the ball can be turned here. The ball can be turned here. The ball can be turned here. Okay. So, why that is held? The ball has a rough surface, has a smooth surface. Okay. If I will draw a ball in my board, then what is happening? You can see that is the ball. Okay. It has a rough surface and it has this particular side, opposite side, it has a smooth surface. It has a smooth surface. It has a rough surface and it has a smooth surface. Similarly, you can see it. The ball here, that is a rough surface and that is the smooth surface. Okay. Okay. That you can see. That you can see in your daily life, yeah, and a cricket match. Now we can see that the rough surface, when the air can be passed out by the rough surface, then there created turbulence of the air. There created turbulence of the air. The air turbulence of the means the velocity of the air is higher. Means the velocity of the air is higher, and here the air can be flow as a laminar flow. Here the pressure will be lower. Here the pressure will be lower and here the pressure will be the lower pressure. Okay, the higher pressure can push and give a force. Give a net force to the opposite to the ball to move on this direction. So that you can see that is the ball. Okay, the ball can be turned in the right, the ball can be turned in the left, that is known as swing. And there is another thing, how the sprayer's mechanic will be work, how the sprayer will be worked. Means you can use the sprayers as well as sanitizer sprayers. That is a sanitizer sprayer. Okay. That is a sanitizer sprayer. Okay. That is a sanitizer sprayer. When I will press it, then some of sprays will be outer. Okay. Sanitizer must be carried. Okay. So, what is the mechanics of the sprayers? I will draw it. There are two types of sprayers.